Welcome to Gray Overload. I have received my Dygma Raise 2 and it has came today, so we're going to unbox it. I'll have a review up of the Raise 2 once I've started using it, but I wanted to go to a split keyboard. This is my first venture into it, so I did pre-order this. I do have another one coming. I don't know when that one's going to ship. This was with silent switches on it. And so this is more for my work, and then I wanted one a little bit different for gaming, and that's why I bought two. Uh, I could use the same one, but I wanted, just how my setup is and how I use it. I wanted separate ones just so I can use both. But the enhancement kit, and you can see everything there for the inside of the enhancement kit, and it gives you a little bit of information here, which I really like. And so I believe I have the, which ones did I get? I think I got the Silent Brown, Cali Silent Browns. So I think I got those with this keyboard. And then they have kind of everything there if you want to, or so you can maintain your keyboard, which is pretty cool. Cap puller and switch puller there and everything. Little brush for dusting, all the keycaps, O-rings, and then this is Dygma cloth, it feels like. So that's everything in there. It came very well packed in the box. Was impressed with that. They have a wrap around each item here, so it kind of keeps it so you don't have to worry, hopefully. And then the keyboard for my order came in a case, and here's the case. Let's see here. There we go. And so here it kind of is opened, and you get a foam piece here to protect the keyboard, which is nice. And we'll see. I have not opened this yet. So the keyboard comes out and it comes apart. Whoops, there was a box next to me I knocked over. And you see all the connections there. This is underglow. It also has the tilt feature in it, so you can see all the mechanisms they have here for that. A couple different mechanisms. I'll be testing this out today, and I'll let you know. The palm rests are magnetic, so this comes off, and they actually stay there quite nice. And you can see these are the silent ones, so we'll see how they work here. Got Dygma on the back. Got all that. It has the wireless switch there. And same sort of setup here, with all the tilt and everything else. So I'll have to go through. Oh, this is pull here. That's how you're supposed to do it. Huh. So far, it's got a nice metal on there, finish. So that's all there. I'll set these off to the side. You have, what do they call this? The Neuron. So they have connect to computer, connect to keyboard. I probably should keep that on until I get this all set up. And here's a little bit, what does it slide out? User manual. Okay, maybe something later to take a look at. And then let's look at this side. Let's put the Neuron back. But here we go. You got your cables. So this is cables for the keyboard, cables for the longer cable, all for the keyboard, connecting the keyboards, because each keyboard can be, so they do have a USB-C on each split. So you can see that on each one. And that is fine. These feel like pretty nice cables. I'll probably plug this in. I know this is going to be to my work setup, so I have a dock, and I'll just keep it plugged in. Maybe I'll use it wirelessly for other things. So this is a pretty long cable, which is nice. And then these USB-A to USB-C there, and then another little USB-C cable here. So they got quite a nice setup overall. I have to say, it's, just a quick unboxing. Nice felt, or however they put it here, for the carrying case, which if I ever take it someplace, it's nice to have a carrying case. But I will let you all know how I like to type on this, how well this keyboard all sets up, because this is going to be what I'm going to be, basically using now to type and go from there. So I got to figure out how all this works with the setups here, and go from there and see, because you have multiple settings where you can all set these up and go from there. You have tilts, all this fun stuff. So you have to set it all up and find out what's going to be the best setup here. And I probably have something wrong. So also this isn't, because that shouldn't rock like that. But we'll see. I'll get it all figured out, and we will. Well, probably different angles, but I'll let you know how this all goes, and we'll have a review of that. One thing I like is that it is, you can take these apart, you can maintain, and this could be one of those keyboards that lasts you a really long time, which is always a good thing, because some of these keyboards, they want to just, disposable, and when it breaks, you can't do too much. And I'm trying to get to have more stuff. One, I want to be more ergonomic, so I like these for the split for the ergonomic reasons. And then the second thing is I like to be able to switch out keycaps when I want and repair it. And I think those are options here that Dygma gives you that will be really worth it. Now, this isn't a cheap keyboard at all by any means. This is a more of a premium product, but if you're someone that is on your keyboard constantly and you want better ergonomics, you're probably going to be like me, where you start a slow path with ergonomic keyboards, and eventually you're getting to split keyboards, and we'll see where I end up. So they have a Dygma Defy, which is a little bit different as well, and we'll see where, like I said, we'll see where I end up, because I can only imagine if I want to go to the next level with their Defy, or some of these other keyboards out there as well. So I'm not, by any means, I'm no keyboard expert, but I'm probably a person that is going to that uses my keyboard, for 8+ hours every single day, and so at least I'll get a good feel of how this works for me, and give you a review on that to maybe how it's going to work for you. So let me know if you have any questions, what you'd like to see with this as well, so I can include that in a review. I want to thank you so much for watching Gray Overload and helping this channel grow. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, as it really does help out the channel. And watching on one of my videos, as that always does help out as well. And until next time, God bless.